So we have mustard greens. There's a story behind these. There's a reason why there's so much greenery in here that doesn't belong. And it's because I didn't think that these seeds had germinated. So I let this go. I was going to rip everything out and start over. And I started to see signs of life a couple of weeks ago. Decided to let it go. And now they are taking off. So instead of just pulling these out and starting over, I decided to just try and remove some of the hitchhikers so that these guys could flourish. Just wanted to show you, this is my rustic garden. This is my fourth zone out of the 4 areas that I have in my garden this winter. So these are going to get at least twice the size of what they are now, and I'm looking forward to it. And the other 3, I have cabbage, I have collard greens, and as a matter of fact, right over here, this is the cabbage. I have had some issues with bugs, but as you can see, I'm taking care of that right now. And on the other side, there's broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and I have a newly added tunnel. So shortly, I'll do an update of all 4 sections, but for right now, I just wanted to show you that we do, in fact, have mustard greens. Okay, catch you guys later.